May 12 ba? Ayan, tumakatili kayo. Garnering an average score of 87.71. Our first runner-up is Little Princess number 1, Carissa Ayala Santos. And our Little Princess 2012 is Rosaline Blancaflor. Si Rosaline po, 3 beses nang sumali. For your information, hindi siya nakakapasok sa Magic 5. Ngayon lang nakuha ng crowd. They're so hard in trying. Palakpakan natin ng Little Princess 2012 and Little Prince 2012. May we call on Ozone to please come over? Ay nako, Ate Elena, 2 na ang TV mo. Ikaw nag-make up? Very good. Pilipinang-Pilipina ang dati.
Yan.
RB, please come here. Dito ka. Ayan, sila po ang ating mga winners. First runner-up, and yung Little Prince na po, yung Little Princess. Yan. Yan. T-shirt na pumunta ng ibalik na. Ikaw na, kayo ang stage. Ikaw ka play na. Yung bumili, pakibigay nyo yung sandali na. Lulu, Mr. Bashir, from Lulu, please come over. Mr. Bashir of Lulu. Mr. Bashir of Lulu, please come here. Ayan. Yung first runner, tataning picture muna, yung winners naman natin, bigyan natin ng time. Lupang na ayan. Tutuloy ang sa daddy. Okay. Eto na po yung winner natin.